Good morning, good morning. Welcome to our 3 Healthy Bitters. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my channel is about healthy lifestyle, body, mind, and soul with a bit of laughter. Alright. So today I'll be trying out food hack, kitchen gadget food hacks. Okay, inspired by Little Mix. Is it Little Mix or Little Lia? Something like that. Sniper Wolf. Okay, so I've got this here. Can you see me? Yes, you can. Okay, let me begin. So I've got this from Amazon. Yeah, I've got this melon cutter, a slicer, or whatever it's called. Oh my days. Oh, I think maybe this hack is to see how strong you are. Oh my days, I don't know if I'll be able to do this. Alright, I'm gonna get into it. Why would I be able to cut this melon? Maybe I need to put it on the floor. Okay. Guys, I'm just trying. Nope. I think this is a strength hack. Oh my days. Nah, somebody cut that for her. Am I that weak? Ugh. Nope, it's not working. No, somebody cut that melon for her. It's not working. Oh, man. Okay, guys. I am back again, and as you could see, I changed my location. So my husband just said to me, try something lower than the countertop. So here I am, trying this food gadget kitchen hack, I guess it's called. Oh my days, here we go. So now I'm actually putting all my body weight into it. Nope, nope, this is not working. Bloody hell. Maybe I need to center this part. Let's see. Oh my days. Somebody helped her. Sniper Wolf, if you get to see my video. Somebody helped you. Or maybe this is a challenge to test my strength. Nope. Oh my days, it's not working. Oh yeah, I heard something. Okay. Oh my days, I almost cussed a bad word. Yes. Come goody, come goody. Come on, goody. Sorry guys, sorry for all those noises. I'm so sorry. I'm really trying because it looked easy on the when I watched that video. I think it's because this melon is, look, it's not like, should I say it's not leveled? It's not leveled. It's not level? Oh man, it's like I'm doing a workout. Alright, let's try again. Maybe I need it to be like how, like this way. Okay, let's try again. I'm not giving up. I don't have my husband here to help me. Oh my days. I might end up breaking this table. Okay, I'm going to turn. This is not working. Whoa. I'm here again, guys. Look, it fell on the floor. So there's a crack in the middle right here. So I've been trying, and this is where I'm at so far. Can you see it? But you know what I was thinking? The blade, I just looked at the blade again. It's not as sharp as a knife, because I know I'm not the strongest, but I'm strong. So the blade, after this, I'm going to show you the blade. It's not as sharp as a knife. So that's the reason why it's taking so long. Yep. My son is up as well, so if you hear him in the background, oh, it's bloody. I feel it for this little table as well. If this table breaks while I'm doing this, don't laugh. Yeah, it's moving a little bit. It's moving. You know what? I'm doing this, I'm laughing. I mean, I guess that's not a bad thing, because the universe know that I love to laugh. Yeah, it's going down, guys. Whoa, not giving up. Yes, guys, can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, oh! I'm telling you, this is work. Not giving up, boy. And you know what? I'm not going to edit this video. I'm not putting any music over this. I'm so sorry. Who wants to laugh? I'm happy that you're laughing. At least I could make someone laugh. Okay. These days noise. Stop it. Oh my days. Okay, almost there. Oh. Hold on, I'm going to stop this again now. Yes, guys, here we go. Just a little bit more. Can you see it? Sorry, my stuff is shaking. Here we go. I can't believe I'm doing this, One thing about what's her name, Sniper Wolf, she was definitely having fun, but nope. Oh, it's hard. It's hard. It's bloody hard. Oh wait, Malik, come and see this, guys. Oh my days, I could see my feet. Oh, hold on, hold on. All right, hold on. Which I can't hide my feet. Oh my days, I didn't stop this. You know what? Here we go. I'm telling you, this is a good laugh. Oh, can you see that? Can you see that, guys? I think I need some paper towel. I don't even know if I should go down any further, but there you go. Come on, love, stay over there. Oh, I'm telling you, that's an arm workout. Yeah, stay over there. Here. Watch your heart do. This is an arm workout. Honestly, my little one is in the background. I'm telling you. Yeah, so there you have it. You know what? I'm scared to go down any further. So there you have it. Okay. Trying gadget and food. And I need to get some I need to get some paper towel. It's making a mess now. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys. After that first TikTok gadget kitchen life hack, I'm trying to remember it. So after that gadget life hack or kitchen food hack, I don't know, there's too much hacks. Here we have it again. I'm here again with this one. This one should be easy. I think I could sit down and do this one. Alright, let's get into it. I won't let this video be long. So this is the banana. Oh Lord. Do I need to just squash it down like that? Oh. Okay. This is not working unless they, and in the picture I don't think I needed to peel a banana. Did I need to peel it? Yep, I think so. Okay guys. I'm telling you. No, I really don't remember. Did I need to peel a banana? Because obviously if I peel a banana it's easier to do that. God, my son is coming over again. Okay, so as you can see I peeled the banana. And obviously it's going to be easy. But I think, oh, there we have it. Can you see that? Wow. I'm sure the picture, the video I saw, they didn't peel a banana. But there you have it, guys. I think this is nice for if you're keeping a party or something. Or if you want to cut up your bananas, put them in the freezer. This is a quick way. Okay, as you can see, there you have it. I don't know how I'm going to get them out. Maybe I need to shake it. But there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys. This was fun. This was fun, and I don't need to do any workout for the rest of the day because I've already done it with the watermelon TikTok thing. Thank you for watching. Have a laugh. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. Have a nice day.